Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales once again, and we're on board our 360 Sea Ray Sundancer at 2003. I'm doing an engine room video for you too, but the first thing I wanted to point out was this table storage for the back. Underneath the hatch here, you have a Sea Ray puts in a couple of holders to allow you to put the table here, and then another one on the back, so that the whole back of the boat, when the hatch is down, turns into a big lounger, and that's why you have those extra cushions in the back. But let's get back to the nuts and bolts of this. This is a 360 Sea Ray Sundancer with a pair of 8.1 Horizon engines with 1,200 hours on them. In great shape. Manifolds and risers have been upgraded, I understand. It's on V drives. The boat has been well maintained with lots of service history and records. 4 batteries there, all Group 31As is what they are. They're all gel cells, it appears that way. There's your holding tank there on the port side. Looking back, you got a 2019 Kohler generator there with just over 200 hours on it, a fuel tank there too. But I just wanted to show you how clean this engine room compartment is. You just don't see it like this. This boat has been well maintained. Even with 1,200 hours, this boat has got passed survey, mechanical inspections, etc. It doesn't get any better than this. We can't help but recommend this one. It's a great looking 360 Sea Ray Sundancer with great equipment in it, well maintained, better than a boat with half the hours that have been poorly maintained. So again, we really appreciate you watching our engine room compartment video, and we're also going to be doing a generator startup, engine startup on this boat too for you to see what it's all about. PacificCoastYachtSales.com, 30 years in business. Thanks again for watching.